Hey guys, it's Shadow the Rat, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving the rats some cooked beans. Oh, you're excited. Oh dear. How many did you take, Cream? Jeez, I swear. Anyways, I guess I should say that beans should only be given to your rats if they are cooked. They're actually toxic to them if they... Cookie, what are you doing? If they aren't cooked, if they're raw. But as you can see, these are some cooked beans. Very nice and yummy. So yeah, I just thought I would give the rats some of these because we were having them for dinner. Nothing like some cooked beans and eggs. And I guess I wanted to address the prior food video I did with the rats. We'll just focus on Espresso here because she's the only one who didn't run away. But anyways, I wanted to say that I know a lot of people weren't happy with the meat in the video. And while we're not going to have a lot of that because, well, I'm vegetarian, so we don't really have a lot of meat in the house. Only a few people in the family actually eat meat, but when we do have it, there's really no reason not to give the rats a bone or bits of the meat, because if you think about it, what's going to happen to it otherwise? I mean, we had a bone left over. Most people don't eat bones. In my family, we definitely don't eat the bones, so it would have just gone into the waste and would have gone into landfill. So I really think that giving it to the rats was, the better option. It's not only enriching to them, but it's actually more respectful to whatever animal you're eating, because if you eat all of them, at least the nutrients isn't going to waste. So yeah, that's basically my thoughts on that. Again, we're not going to have too many videos on the rats eating meat because we don't have it in the house. We're going to probably have a lot in the rats eating tofu though, because, well, as vegetarians, we do have to get our protein somewhere, and we tend to... Cream is going ham on these beans. And we do tend to do it by eating different tofu products. So something that I'm probably going to give them pretty soon is sausage links from Morningstar. So if you don't know, Morningstar is a really good company for getting these fake meats. And these sausage links, well, they're not meat. They're basically vegetarian sausages, so that means they are made of plants. Oh my god, what is Espresso doing? Oh dear, I think she's stashing them. Oh, why? But yeah, they're not meat-based. They're plant-based, and they are delicious. They don't taste like sausages, but they're so tasty. Look at Cream. You like them, Creamy girl? Oh, I'm sorry. See, this is what I mean when I say Cream's a skitty girl. Creamy! I'm not trying to take your beans! So some of you wanted to see Cream's tail. This is what it looks like now. It's completely healed. This is just like a little scab on the outside, which is quickly going away. I will be showing an update video soon. However, I wanted to wait for it to heal completely, which you can see it's almost healed, but it's not quite there, so we're just going to hold off for a few more days, then I'll show it to you once it's completely healed. But I'm happy to say she's in no pain. She isn't even on medication anymore. She stopped the pain meds after just a few days because she wasn't in pain anymore, or at least she wasn't showing pain symptoms. So now she is just a happy rat again. She's doing tricks, she's enjoying herself. And I'm not worried anymore. I'm just really glad that it wasn't anything too serious. I still felt really bad about it, but I'm just happy that she recovered pretty quickly. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they ate pretty much all the beans in there. I gave them a full bowl, or at least a little bit of a bowl. What, Cookie, how many do you need? So I think this can be called a success. All the foods that I've given to the rats can be called a success because they've eaten them all. They really enjoy all this varied food, and yeah, they're just really enjoying these videos. I think they're enjoying them more than us. Just saying. Okay, yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. As always, I will be making more of these in the future. And if you guys have any suggestions for food, feel free to tell me, and I will see about giving that to the rats. Obviously, it has to be rat safe, and if I don't know, I will be doing a lot of research on that. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's pretty much it. And they cleaned the entire bowl within just a few minutes. Nice. Okay, yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.